Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, as you can tell, I still don't have my voice all the way because I'm still kind of sick. But I just wanted to show you guys what I woke up to this morning. Look, it's snowing. And it's a lot of snow, too. Well, more than what I'm used to. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. So, yeah. So now it's like 10 o'clock and we're on our way to get breakfast. So we're gonna get to walk through the snow. Yay!
The tiny houses are almost open.
Yep, and fun fact, Lily is from Colorado, so she's used to the snow.
I can't believe you woke up early so you can watch the snowfall.
This is crazy.
I told you it's gonna go above your boots.
This is what the
fine?
heck? Yes. I'm filming. I've never, it's never been this deep. Oh my goodness.
It's really a lot of snow. I haven't seen this much snow in a while.
What the heck? Oh my goodness. Yeah, I can't find the sign. So Lily's getting her food right now, but we're at the dining hall, and I'm gonna show you what I got. French toast, bacon, and eggs. So yeah. So this is what Lily got for breakfast.
Some fruit and a bagel with salmon. It's like they had a giant one. I'm kind of confused. Looks good.
It looks good. So we made it back from the dining hall, and we're just laying here, and we're just gonna have like a chill day today.
Yeah. No one really wants to leave.
Yeah. We're gonna do like some homework, edit videos, maybe watch a movie or something.
Yeah.
So yeah. Hey vlog, so we got an update from John Dooley.
Still in the same place, but
Yeah. That the campus is closed tomorrow, so finals got postponed until Tuesday. So Lily and I don't have a final tomorrow.
Yay.
And we have to wait till Tuesday.
Till Tuesday. Yeah, now we have two on Tuesday.
Yeah, but don't worry, we still leave at the same time. So, apparently the fire alarm went off, and
we have to go to the parking lot.
and
People are
it's freezing.
not dressed.
I almost had to go outside in my Crocs.
And she's not wearing socks.
I'm not wearing socks right now.
There's like a foot of snow.
Yes, and it's all going inside my boot, and I'm getting frostbite. So, yeah.
If the person who turned it off, if the person who triggered the alarm is watching, you suck.
There's Mary making a snowball.
He's wearing flip-flops.
Oh my. Okay. I thought my feet were cold.
Yeah.
Can I try some piping?
Yeah. Great.
I love
Weird. Really? Yeah, it's weird. Which sides are front? Doing like
That's the front.
I was thinking of doing like those. Yeah. Thinking of doing. But I didn't. Where this?
Okay, so they finished the gingerbread house, and it's gold, silver, and it's flaming, and there's a snowman and a Christmas tree. And it's really cute. So this is the second time today, and it's so cold outside. This is ridiculous. So we're back from the second fire drill, and we're gonna watch the Grinch. So yeah. Okay, so now we're at the common area, and everyone has their snacks, and we're gonna watch the Christmas movie, The Grinch. Yep, we're gonna watch The Grinch. And
It's already on, but
yeah.
but you should tell them this. What
Oh
happened?
yeah. So basically, as you noticed, we've had multiple fire drills. Well, fire alarms go off today.
Yeah.
And the reason is because people take really hot showers.
They like switched the heating a few days
Yeah,
ago,
they
so now they
switched
get
the
way
heating.
hotter.
So the showers get really hot, and now like the heaters aren't used. The heat detectors aren't used to it. So the alarm goes off, But now that the firefighters have came here like 5 times today, basically.
6.
6 times.
Because the other
today.
buildings had 2 also.
Yeah. Since they've came like 6 times today, they said that they're not responding to our alarms anymore. So.
So our RA has to wake up every hour and check if the fire alarm's going off. And if it is, it's an actual fire. Then he has to get us up. But if it's not, then it's fine. But like, he has to get up every hour.
So it's now midnight, and we finished watching the movie, but we ended up watching a different Christmas movie called Santa Chronicles. It was pretty good. You should check it out. But it's now midnight, so I'm kind of tired, and I'm actually going to sleep in my own room tonight. So, but I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!